Spring is here and it's time to get active. It's time to start gardening, and I want to give you some tips to stay healthy through the spring season. I'm Dr. MIke Berardis, and this is your health tip for the week on how to keep and maintain balance and health through the spring season as we get active in our gardens and in our yards doing spring cleanup and gardening. So a couple tips I want to teach you guys. We're going to talk about a few things that I find are really important. I've had a lot of patients coming in recently with aches and pains that they normally don't have because they're just doing things a little bit wrong. So number one, make sure you warm up. Going out and doing yard work is no different than when you played ball as a kid. You always warm up first before a workout or before a sporting event. No different with spring cleanup and spring work outside. Warm up your body. Make sure you stretch. Number two, take breaks, frequent breaks. The job isn't going to go anywhere. That mulch pile isn't going anywhere. But your body has a limited range of adaptability. So be careful and take frequent breaks. Number three, use both hands. If you're going to rake or you're going to shovel and you're right-handed, use the left hand. Switch off. I know it's going to take a little longer. You guys typically want to rush through the job, and if you're right-handed, you're quicker with the right-hand shovel. But I'm telling you, if you balance it out and you go with the left side, whether you're raking or shoveling, it'll pay dividends, huge dividends in keeping and maintaining balance, so your shoulders and your neck don't get destroyed from all that work. Number four, if you're planting or weeding, use a seat, a garden seat or a garden kneeler. If you're kneeling or sitting, you're taking pressure off your back, and that goes a long way to prevent problems with disc herniations and pinched nerves in your back. Number five, listen to your body. This is something that I tell people all the time. No one knows your body better than you do, so listen to it. If it's talking to you, it's time to take a break. Number six, after you're done, get into an Epsom salt bath, which is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is wonderful for sore muscles. So an Epsom salt bath is always great after you've done a hard day's work. Number seven, mild pain, usually no issue. If your pain is mild, a day or two of rest, maybe an Epsom salt bath, some magnesium, calcium, and zinc as a supplement, all great for muscle repair. Usually that pain is going to go away. But if the pain is more moderate or severe, please seek professional help. Sometimes there's something worse going on that you don't know about. We're always here to help. Dr. MIke Berardis here with your weekly tip on healthy gardening and springtime activities. Have a great one.